warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and good morning to ladies and gentlemen. Me and myself, my name Awangku Isma Muzafar bin Pengiran Bagul, accompanied by Siti Norzaemah binti Muhammad Rashid and Tuan Rafida binti Tuan Hassan. We are from Civil Engineering Department, Politeknik Sultan Idris, Sabak Bernam, Selangor, Malaysia. Today, we are presenting our paper, which is Characteristic of Greywater from Carwash Premises in Sabak Bernam District. The accelerated growth of car wash places create opportunities for water pollution. Many car wash premises are open without consideration of sustainability. The washing process effluents only discharge into waterways together with sediment and solid from wash vehicles. According to Jefferson 2014, the effluents creates stormwater pollution, which could reduce light penetration and affects the process of photosynthesis when too much sediments present in waterways. Present article contains a review of the characteristic of greywater generation from car wash industry in Sabak Bernam region. Suggested treatment: 6 samples of greywater characteristic from 6 different premises in Sabak Bernam district were studied, comprising pH, dissolved oxygen, chemical oxygen demand, total suspended solid, and oil and grease. The findings are compared to Malaysian industrial wastewater standard B and national water quality standard for Malaysia. Our keywords for today: Greywater, TSS, COD, and ONG. As for introduction, car washing activities has become a lucrative business activity in recent time. This is due to the increasing number of vehicle ownership by the citizen. According to the Statistic Pengangkutan Malaysia in 2013, total amount of car in Malaysia in 2013 were estimated to be 10,535,575. With the increasing of car wash premises, the chance of it polluting the water are also increasing. According to the CFAIL in 2007, car wash activities normally consume large quantity of water. The effluents generated from the car wash premises can be classified as greywater. Greywater can be defined as any wastewater produced, excluding sewage. Sewage differs from greywater by content of organic loading, where sewage has much larger organic loading compared to greywater. According to ABC in 2019, greywater, which is wastewater without any input from toilets, are largely produced into the environment. The activities of car washing, especially for brake linings and mudguard, accumulate total suspended solid in the form of sand and dust in greywater. Those sediments will enter the drain untreated. Suspended solid could harm aquatic life and reduce light penetration. High amount of suspended solid can damage aquatic life ecosystem. Oil, grease, and dirt washed down from the vehicle bodies may block the sunlight, impair photosynthesis, and prevent oxygen replenishment once it enters the receiving water body. According to Rita Lai, in 2020, oil and grease could reduce dissolved oxygen level in the water and increase biological oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand, temperature, and pH of the water, and this situation will degrade aquatic habitat as well as disturbing the ecology stability. For our study, we took sampling from the site. 6 car wash stations were chosen in Sabak Bernam district. The type of washing and operational time per day are tabulated in table 1 below. All the information was obtained from the interviewing session with the car wash station owner. Samples collected were kept in different containers and transferred to the storage in laboratory for further experiment. As we can see in here, this is the car wash operator in Sabak Bernam district. 6 stations has been chosen, located at Jalan Raya Chulan for sample 1, Taman Aman for sample 2, Sungai Panjang for sample 3, Sungai Besar for sample 4, Teluk Ru for sample 5, and Parit Baru for sample 6. All of this station is full hand service, and operational time is 12 hours per day. In addition, on this map, we can see the location of 6 stations of car wash. The selected car wash has been divided into 4 areas, which is station number 5 and 6, located at Sungai Air Tawar area, station number 1 and 2, located at Sabak Bernam area, station number 4, located at Sungai Besar area, and station number 3, located at Sungai Panjang area. Therefore, for further information, I would like to invite our next presenter to continue our presentation. Thank you.
Now, we are going to look at how the sample were analysis. 6 car wash stations were chosen in district of Sabak Bernam. Samples collected were kept in different containers and transferred to storage in laboratory for further experiment. The parameters investigated are pH, temperature, total suspended solid, dissolved oxygen, oil and grease, and chemical oxygen demand. The determined values are compared to National Water Quality Standard and Industrial Wastewater Quality Standard, which is applicable to discharge into any other inland waters or Malaysian waters, as the corresponding standard for greywater does not exist in Malaysia. Here are the findings of pH. It is seen that almost all samples are in neutral condition except for sample 6. The greywater condition for sample 6 was slightly alkaline. However, the reading is still complying with Industrial Wastewater Quality Standard, which is stated that pH reading should be in the range of 5 to 9. As seen on Table 4 and Figure 3, almost all samples are in neutral condition except for sample 6. However, all readings are far from the suggestion for healthy water. Healthy water should generally have DO concentration about 6.5 to 9 mg per liter and between 80 to 120%. Water with level of DO below 1 mg per liter are considered hypoxic and usually devoid of life.
Table 5 shows the COD values of all samples collected. The experiments were done to evaluate the amount of chemical oxygen demand of the car wash greywater. As shown in Figure 4, the COD values were varied from 151.67 mg per liter to 143 mg per liter in sample 1 and 2, 179 mg per liter to 110.33 mg per liter in sample 3, and 178 mg per liter to 166 mg per liter in sample 4 and 5. The COD values were used to measure the pollutant in wastewater and natural water. However, it was clearly shown in Figure 4 that the highest value is in sample 5, which is situated at Teluk Ru, and the lowest value is sample 4 from Sungai Besar. All COD values exceed the requirement of National Water Quality Standard. All the COD values exceed the requirement of National Water Quality Standard for Malaysia for Class 5, which means this type of water could not be used as irrigation. For total suspended solid, all values are complying the National Water Quality Standard for Malaysia, either for Class 2 or 3 or 4. Oil and grease concentration should be maintained at acceptable level of lower than 10 mg per liter according to industrial wastewater quality standard. However, it was clearly shown in figure 7 that all samples indicate high values ranging between 1022 mg per liter to 2682 mg per liter. This current research shows that the grey water from car washes is slightly polluted, so certain treatment are required. Based on the obtained result, the concentration of the pH and total suspended solid found within the permissible limit prescribed by Malaysian Industrial Wastewater Quality Standard and National Water Quality Standard for Malaysia. However, the concentration of DO, COD and ONG in the grey water are quite worrying. Therefore, the need to provide appropriate wastewater treatment for car wash premises is important to maintain the sustainability of wastewater resources. Therefore, the need to provide appropriate wastewater treatment for car wash premises is important to maintain the sustainability of water resources. This research provides greater potential for research in the field of wastewater treatment related to car wash centers. Thank you very much.